How to grow vegetables in self-prepared containers, Summer Season 2020. Hi viewers, today we will discuss how to grow bitter gourd, apple gourd, bottle gourd and cucumbers in vegetable baskets. I will also show you a simple procedure to make a plant container from a vegetable basket. Today is a very pleasant day, winter is just leaving here. Days are getting hot. It is the best time for growing vegetables for the summer season in containers. Summer vegetables are heat-loving and require full-day sunlight. I welcome you to my YouTube channel Gardening Aim. In homes, there are a lot of pots available that are not in normal use due to any damage. We think that these are useless and throw out from homes. But in this video, you will see how we can convert them in the useful pot. This is a plastic basket, normally available at fruit or vegetable shops. You can buy it in some scents. The second thing which is required is a flour bag. Cut this bag with scissors in this way. This bag has a lot of qualities for which I use in making plants containers. This bag doesn't hold water and allows it to drain, which is very good for plants. Waterlogging is a very major problem of plants and it damages plant roots. It also dissolves late and holds soil for a longer time. Now put this bag in the basket and adjust in corners. Cut extra bag coming out from basket for making it secure and nice. Make more baskets as per your requirement. I made 3 baskets for planting vegetables. Now I am going to fill these baskets with garden soil. I only use organic fertilizer for my plants, because it is best for the growth of plants. In my area clay soil is available, which holds nutrients more, but it also holds water and allows it to drain slowly, which is not good for plants. So I made garden soil in the composition of 50% soil, 25% sand and 25% compost. It is a very good combination for the plants. It may be changed according to soil available in your area. About the preparation of garden soil, I have a complete video which is very helpful for everyone but for beginners especially. The link to that video is available in the description of this video. Our vegetable baskets are now ready for plantation. For early germination of seeds, I have soaked the seeds of bitter gourd, apple gourd, bottle gourd and cucumbers in water for 12 hours. I took them out from the water and now these are ready to plant. These are seeds of bitter gourd and I am going to plant them in this container. Make a hole in the soil with a finger. Put the seed in the hole and fill the hole with soil. It should not be more than 1 inch. If you plant seeds in more depth, then chances of seedling to come out from soil will be reduced. Keep a safe distance between seeds. Don't press soil hard above seeds. I will also plant seeds of Tanya gourd or apple gourd in the same basket. Because I have 6 different vegetable seeds and presently I have only 3 baskets. I will transplant them in separate containers after some weeks of growing. Tagging is a very necessary process for the identification of plants. Tags may be made on different sticks. I am using ice cream sticks for this purpose. It is very perfect for this work. Write the name of vegetables on one side and date of planting seeds on the other side for future reference. Fix the tags inside the container. Give water to the complete surface of the soil and allow it to absorb. First time try to moist complete soil in the container. After that, water plants as per their requirement daily in the morning. I planted seeds of bottle gourd and cucumbers in the same way and tagged them. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit like button and subscribe to my channel with the bell icon.